to write down procedures today. And you are going to you're going to write down procedures so that later on you can maybe repeat this experiment. Yes, ma'am?
What is that classic thing around the bottle?
Label? Okay, so first things first, 2-liter bottle. Doesn't have to be Pepsi. Okay, just a 2-liter bottle. I'm going to remove the label with a pair of scissors. Maybe. Please don't cut yourself, Mrs. Wolf.
We need you.
Aw. Okay. Okay. We don't need this. We can recycle it. Whatever it is that we can do with it. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we get to use power tools. Okay. I have a drill bit on here that is, oh gosh, I'm not exactly sure what size. Looks like 7/64. Okay. You don't want anything really super huge, and you don't want anything that's really, really small. Okay. And what we want to do is we want to drill 3 holes approximately 1 inch apart in a hopefully straight line, up and down or vertically on your bottle, on your 2-liter bottle. So that's what I'm going to do first. Okay, and the next one. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of pressure, but you do need to make sure that maybe you're pushing a little bit from each side. You can also do this, have an adult use a hot nail to put the holes in it. I just chose to do it this way because it was somewhat easier. Plus, you know, power tools. And if any of you would like to learn how to use power tools, come to AgriScience on Friday.
I would like a permission after class.
Okay, so there I have my 3 holes in the bottle. Then you're going to need to use some kind of waterproof-ish tape. I like duct tape. Duct tape is awesome, you know. It like fixes everything, right? Okay. So here I have duct tape that covers my 3 holes. And now I'm going to take it back to the sink and I'm going to fill Bob. And it's not going to leak. the outside so we make sure that we're not leaking. Now if I squeeze it, it's probably going to leak, so you got to be careful with it. Okay, we don't want to put any added pressure on it, so we don't want to make sure that we don't. See, putting a little bit of pressure on it right there. I'm going to look at our holes from the other side. Okay. Now, you're going to need some kind of container. This little fish tank comes in handy because it has a lid on it that, and it's actually not a fish tank, it's actually a reptile tank. So it has this mesh on top. So when I take the tape off, if liquid does come out or if water does come out, then it will go into the tank. Okay? One other thing that I think I want to add to this one that I did not add to the last experiment is I want to add some food coloring. Oh my gosh, girls. Oh no, you're going to be on TV. What will we do? Someone sees me.
You're gonna be a YouTube sensation.
What does yellow and blue make?
I don't
I forgot.
Purple.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this now. I'll have to wait. I didn't put the water in it. Oh, it's too bad.
You can open the lid.
Shake it.
No, dear. It's not going to work. Sorry.
If you open the lid.
It's just not going to happen. Okay?
I know how you can do it, but doing a lot of extra.
No, I'm not. See, yeah, I could do it, but I'm not doing it. Okay. So, now you have this paper on your table that's called 3-hole bottle demonstration. That's where we're going next. Is there anyone who doesn't have one? All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a diagram of what you think it's going to look like when I pull the tape off of the first hole. What is it going to look like when I pull the tape off of the first hole?
Oh my god.
Yes.
The first hole as in the bottom one or first hole as in the top?
Top.
Oh.
Okay. I'm pulling the tape off of the first hole, which will be top to bottom. Okay. Draw your diagram.
It's not gonna go read. I think so.
Pause.